Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up your Crypto.com security checklist easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Crypto.com website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the security section in the menu. Click on the security checklist option. You will see a list of necessary security features. Review each item on the checklist carefully. For two-factor authentication, click on the provided link to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your mobile device. Once activated, confirm that you receive a verification code. Next, return to the checklist and move on to the account recovery settings. Ensure you have a recovery email and phone number linked. If not, update your contact information as prompted. Then, enable withdrawal whitelists for added security. Enter the wallet addresses you plan to use. After securing your account, download the checklist for future reference. Look for the download button on the security checklist page. Click it to save the document to your device. Once downloaded, open the file to review it thoroughly. Keep this document stored securely for regular audits. Regularly revisit the checklist to ensure your account remains secure. Be proactive about updating your security settings when necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.